hope you all are doing well. Today I will be sharing with you all recipe of chicken biryani. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 4 onions, 4 tomatoes. We need 1 bowl of coriander, 1 bowl of mint and about half kg of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of orange food color, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 5 green chillies. We need here cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. We need 1 kg of chicken and 1 kg of rice. Now add oil in a pot. Then add onion. Don't add all onion because we will use it later. Half of them we will use it later. Mix well until you see the golden brown color. Now we will add 2 sticks of cinnamon, 2 pieces of cardamom, 3 cloves. Now mix them well and then add ginger garlic paste. Now add ginger garlic paste. Now mix it well for about 2 minutes. Now add red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half tablespoon of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. Now mix them well and add tomatoes. Okay, now add 5 green chilies. Now mix well until tomatoes become soft. Okay, as you can see, tomatoes are soft now, so we can add half bowl of mint and half bowl of coriander. Now mix well and then add yogurt. Now let it cook until the water reduces to half. As you can see, water have reduced to half. So now we can add chicken. Add chicken. Now start mixing, but be careful, don't break the chicken. Mix it slowly. Now let it cook for about 5 minutes. Take a frying pan and add onion. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Fry onion until you see the golden brown color. Okay, so onions are ready. Now we can put in a plate. Don't throw oil, we will use it later. As you can see, chicken is ready. So now you can off the flame. Now I took a large pot. I have added 2 tablespoons of salt and 3 cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves and 2 cardamom. Now let it boil and then we will add rice. Now add rice. Now mix little. Let it cook. As you can see, rice are cooked now. Rice have become soft. So now we can strain them. Now I have strained rice and now add half of it into the pot. Then add chicken. Spread it well. Then add the coriander and mint leaves. Cover it with other layer of rice. Now crush fried onion and then add it on the rice. Okay. Now add oil. Add lemon juice. Add food color. Okay, now cover it and keep it on low flame for about 20 minutes. As you can see, chicken biryani is ready. Try it at home. Thank you for watching.